Hello everyone, my name is Anushka. I am a research scholar at University of Lucknow in the Department of Applied Economics. I have started my YouTube channel by the name Economics by Anushka, where I'll be teaching you all the basic as well as advanced economics. So the first thing which arises in our mind when we listen to the word economics, that what is economics? So I'm going to start from the basics. So let's go. Whenever we hear the word economics, what is economics? Economics is the study where people or societies make choices on how to allocate the resources which are limited or scarce, have alternate uses for unlimited human wants. So the basic definition of economics is economics is the study of where people or societies make choices on how to allocate resources which are limited or scarce and have alternate uses for unlimited human wants. For example, right now you are not scoring Instagram reels because your mind is saying let's study economics. So you are making choice that I have to study or I have to use phone and watch reels. So the foregone choice, this is the foregone choice that you are doing for phone and reels. This foregone choice, basically you are applying economics here. So let's move on to the next topic. Now the next topic when we study economics is types of economics or classification of economics or classification of economics. Economics can broadly be divided into two parts: microeconomics and macroeconomics. Microeconomics basically deals with the individual units, such as price of a product, firm theory, whereas macroeconomics deals with country as a whole or economy as a whole. It studies national income. It studies inflation. So basically microeconomics is the one where we study about small units, whereas macro, by the name itself, it's as a whole unit. Think of it as we study like price of sugar. ये एक माइक्रोइकोनॉमिक का टॉपिक है, ये माइक्रोइकोनॉमिक टॉपिक है, लेकिन वहीं पे हम जब इन्फ्लेशन रेट ऑफ कंट्री देखेंगे, इन्फ्लेशन रेट ऑफ अ कंट्री, ये एक मैक्रोइकोनॉमिक टॉपिक है. Think of it as a zoom lens. When we zoom camera, we can see small things. That is micro. But think of it as a drone view. A drone view is a macroeconomic thing. We can see the whole picture. The next type of economics that we have to study is basically types of economics which are divided into two parts: positive economics and normative economics. Positive economics is testable, objective, and based on facts, whereas normative objective is judgmental, opinionized, whereas normative economics is judgmental, opinionized, and subjective. Let's say positive economics is in positive economics, we say that India's GDP growth rate is 7%. Whereas in normative economics, what we will say that? In normative economics, you will say that India's growth rate should be higher than 7%. सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक व्हाट इज इकोनॉमिक्स में आता है अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट. अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक बन जाता है जब हम व्हाट इज इकोनॉमिक्स की बात करते हैं, क्योंकि अपॉर्चुनिटी कॉस्ट ही पहली चॉइस है जो हम इकोनॉमिक्स की तरफ बढ़ाते हैं. तो लेट्स से आई हैव अ बजट ऑफ 50 रुपीज एंड I go to the market and I want to buy fruits, and there are two fruits available, two types of fruits available, apple and banana. Apple costs 20 rupees each, whereas banana costs 10 rupees each. What can I do? I can buy one apple and three bananas, two apple and one banana, zero apple and five bananas. So every time I choose banana over apple, I am sacrificing a quantity of apple. Apple sacrifice हो रहा है, ठीक है. And whenever I choose apple over banana, I am sacrificing banana over apple. ठीक है. तो every time, let's say x को x और y मानते हैं, तो whenever I buy the apple is x and banana is y. Whenever I choose good x over good y, I am making it a choice, and every time I lose a good x over good y, that is my opportunity cost. The opportunity cost for buying one apple is one apple, three bananas is one apple, and so on. Now we will study opportunity cost by the use of graph. So this is an opportunity cost graph, whereas I have taken good x on x-axis and good y on y-axis. So every time you are choosing 6 units of good y, you have to choose 4 goods of good x, and you have to whenever you are choosing 4 goods of y, you can have 6 goods of goods x. So this shows that every 2 units of good y leads to opportunity cost of two units of good x. मतलब आप जब भी 2 गुड खरीद रहे हो गुड y के, तो आप 2 गुड लेस कर रहे हो गुड x के. So this was all about what is economics. In the next class, we will study about the various school of thoughts of economics, like neoclassical, classical, modern. हम सबके बारे में पढ़ाई करेंगे. तो आप जुड़े रहिए मेरे इस चैनल के साथ. And till then, bye bye, take care, like, subscribe, share.